Nigeria's floods just claimed over 200 lives. Devastation continues. Nigeria's flood death toll surpasses 200. More than 500 people are still missing after a dam collapsed amid heavy rains in Mokwa. Ex-German Minister Annalena Baerbock, elected as UN General Assembly President, she'll preside over UN sessions for a year in New York as the Western Bloc's nominee. Conservative nationalist Karol Nawrocki wins Polish presidency. With a 50.9% of the votes, he posed clash with Prime Minister Tusk over EU and Ukraine policies. If this is shocking you, follow Paperboy for more.